Hello everyone, register account in ChatGPT without a personal number using the service SMSFAST. Purchasing number for ChatGPT. Copy purchase number and go to ChatGPT. Insert the number into the field and click Continue. Creating a password. After requesting the SMS code, return to the SMSFAST. In a few minutes, the code will arrive and we will continue registration. The code has arrived. Copy it and return to ChatGPT. Paste received code and click Continue. Fill up the registration details. Account has been successfully registered and can be used. Link to our service can be found in the video description. Thank you for watching.